In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort files in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever opened Google Drive and been greeted by a huge list of files, making it nearly impossible to find the document you were working on yesterday? When your drive starts filling up with projects, reports, and media files, finding the right item can become frustrating. Thankfully, Google Drive includes several sorting options that make organizing your files much easier. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then log in to your Google Drive account. Navigate to the folder or main drive view where you want to organize your files. Now look toward the top right area of your file list. If you're using list view, click the name column header. If you're using grid view, click the sorting icon, which appears as an arrow next to the current sorting label. From the menu, select Name to arrange your files alphabetically. You can also choose Last Modified to sort files based on the most recent edits made by anyone. Another option is Last Modified by Me, which shows the files you personally worked on most recently. You can also select Date Opened by Me to organize files based on the ones you viewed most recently. After choosing a sorting method, click the small arrow next to the selected option to switch between ascending and descending order. Alternatively, click Storage in the left sidebar to automatically sort your entire drive by file size, with the largest files appearing at the top. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.